Hello everyone, I am Dr. R.P. Rajwade, Associate Professor Chemistry, Faculty of Science, SRU, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. This lecture is on organic chemistry on topic diazotization, which involves in the formation of diazonium ion. The name of Peter Grice resound again and again, which one is wandering through the expensive workshop of the dye industry by A.W. von Hofmann. Now, preparation of diazonium salt. Diazonium salts are prepared by adding cold solution of sodium nitrate to arylamine solution in dilute acid below 5 degree temperature. This process is called diazotization. The diazonium salts are prepared fresh and used immediately. This is the reaction in which sodium nitrate react with hydrochloric acid to give nitrous acid and NaCl. This nitrous acid formed is react with arylamine to form diazonium salt. Now, mechanism of formation of diazonium salt, it consists of 5 steps. First step, formation or generation of nitrosonium ion. The oxygen present in sodium nitrate is protonated by HCl and product A is formed. In product A, this oxygen is again protonated with another moles of HCl and compound B is formed. In compound B, water molecules is there, which is good leaving group, which is removed from compound B, and nitrosonium ion is formed. In step second, reaction of nitrosonium ion with arylamine, NH2 in benzene ring attacked by the positive ion of nitrosonium ion and bond formation take place between two nitrogen and produced compound 1. In step third, loss of proton to form nitrosoamine. Base present in the reaction which grabs H from the compound 1 and lose the electron behind the nitrogen to form nitrosoamine. Step 4, formation of N-hydroxyazo compound. Electron on nitrogen falls down between the two nitrogen and electron in the inner bond of nitrogen grabs H from Hb and electron on Hb jumps on B to produce B minus and compound second as final product, and minus B present in the reaction grabs the H of compound second and leaves behind the electron to nitrogen to produce an hydroxyazo compound. Step 5th, formation of diazonium ion. Oxygen in an hydroxyazo compound get protonated with acid present in the reaction to produced compound third. Finally, the compound third is having H2O as good Lewin group, which removes the H2O from the molecules third and give diazonium ion. Now, reaction between aliphatic primary amine. When aliphatic primary amine react with nitrous acid in presence of HCl at 0 degree centigrade, a diazonium salt is formed. Aromatic primary amine, this is aniline, react with nitrous acid in presence of HCl at 0 degree centigrade, diazonium ion is formed. In secondary amine, this is nitrogen in the benzene ring attached by the nitrosonium ion and it gives compound fourth, and base present in the reactions grabs the H ion and leaves behind the electron to nitrogen to give nitrosoamine. Tertiary amine react with nitrosonium ion to give compound fifth, which is unstable, and it is again dissociate into tertiary amine and nitrosonium ion. Finally, conclusion part, diazonium ion formation mechanisms involves addition of NO followed by a series of acid-base reactions that turns the oxygen to water and forms triple bond between two nitrogen. Second, the diazonium ion formation is only possible with primary aryl and alkyl amines. Thank you for watching this video lecture.